नमस्कार, मैं दीपिका सिंह एनजीपी लाइव न्यूज़ में आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। चलिए अब नज़र डालते हैं आज की प्रमुख खबरों पर।
We welcome all of you today at an inauguration of our third exclusive store in Nagpur. We already have two operational exclusive store in Nagpur, and this is a third one. Third one is a very unique because this is a select store. Select store is a fifth exclusive store in entire India. The uniqueness of this select store is we are selling our certified RF laptop from this store. The reason why we wanted to create this store is we wanted to give a best of the experience to the customers. In today's era, there are so many open box laptops are available in the market where customer has a potential risk of getting cheated. So we want to ensure our customer should not get cheated. So that's why we started this kind of unique stores from where we are selling a certified laptop with complete 1-year warranty, and all the accessories and goodies, everything are available, so that customer can come and visit this store. They can touch and feel the product, the best of the solution they can decide for their own choice. So this is the reason. And one more reason why we select Nagpur, because of our very long partnership with Jagdish Bhimjiani. He is into this field since so long. They are expertise in selling all the open boxes laptop, and I think they are the biggest buyer of Flipkart and Amazon open box and written products. So that's why we decided to have a partnership with them, and they have a very huge customer base across the India, and they have the similar customer base in Nagpur. So this is also one of the reasons that why we decided to have a partnership with the Jagdish Bhimjiani. Open boxes is like in a layman language, if we say, if you have to buy an open box, what will be your trust? You will always have a doubt that what kind of problem will be there, or whether this will last longer with you or not. So if there is a discount, customer will always go for it. So we thought that why don't we give a surety to our customers? So we decided to have a certified showroom for our customers, and this certified showroom will also ensure a 1-year warranty. So that and our ASP of the product is almost more than 70k. If you look at a GfK report, our ASP is around 56k across the India. So our ASP is very high. In gaming devices, almost most of the products are more than 1 lakh rupees. So today, if one of the logic is also we kept in our mind that if a customer will buy, they cannot afford a brand new product, then they can visit this showroom. They can buy our RF laptop, which will give as good as a new performances, and their second purchase they can go for our fresh devices.
तो ये थी अब तक की प्रमुख खबरें। आप हमारे साथ ऐसे ही बने रहिए और देखते रहिए एनजीपी लाइव न्यूज़।